In this video we are going to see about information and communication technology, paper 2, data manipulation or database. So from May-June 2022, variant 2.1. So task 3, you are now going to prepare some reports. Dates are to be imported in the format of day, month, year, DMY. Make sure all currency value display the same currency symbol and are set to 0 decimal places. Use in a suitable database package. Import the file j2221bookings.csv. So right click, go to the new Microsoft Access database, give your name, center number, candidate number and open the database. Enable content. So now click close. So now we want to import the file j2221bookings.csv. So go to the external data, new data source, from file, text file, click browse and go to the folder, work area. So this is the file bookings. Click open, click OK. So go to the advanced, date order should be DMY and click OK. Click next. First row contain field name, it should be comma. Click next, click advanced. Now we want to change the data types according to the question paper. So title, first name, last name should be text. So it's all title text, first name is text, last name is text. Customer ID number, so customer ID is integer, it's correct. Street address to telephone is text. So street address up to telephone they are giving text, so actually it is in integer, so we want to change into the short text. Depart date, date and time, it's correct. Days number, yard ID, text. So days is integer, yard ID is text, it's correct. So click OK, click next, and the primary key they are asking customer ID as the primary key. So I'm going to give customer ID as the primary key and click next and finish. Close. So now table is imported, double click the table. So this is the data sheet view. Now go to the home, view, design view. Now we want to display the date in this format, DDMMYYY. So for that, go to the depart date and go to the format in properties, DDMMYY, so medium date. So save this. Now we finish question number 13. In the question number 13, second part, import the file j2221 yards. So save this and close. Go to the external data, new data source, from file, text file, browse, j2221 yards, click open, click OK, advance, data order should be DMY, click OK, click next. If you want to tick first row contain field names and click next, and data type, so they are given yard name to depart country should be text. So go to the advanced, yard name to depart country is text, it's correct. Built they are giving number, so built is integer, long integer we can give, and we finish this. Now length they are giving number 2 decimal places, so they ask you to store the value into the 2 decimal places. So if they are asking decimal places, mean it should be double, so it's correct. So cabins to guests, it should be integer. So cabins to guests, it should be integer. Days rate should be number or currency. So day rate should be currency. And click OK. And click next. Primary key, they are given yacht reference as the primary key. So choose my primary key. We are going to give yacht reference as the primary key and click next and finish and click close. Yes. Now open the yachts and go to the home view, design view. Now they are asking length to decimal places. So select the length. Format decimal places should be 2, and we want to give the format fixed. To avoid the roundup values, we want to give the fixed format. So save. Next, they are given days rate should be currency symbol with 0 decimal places. So go to days rate, format should be currency and decimal place should be 0, and save this and close. Yes. So now we finish this. So take the screenshot evidence of the table structures. So we import the 2 tables. So they are asking the screenshot of this 2 tables, primary keys, field names and data types, and place this in your evidence document. So now I am going to open bookends design view and yachts design view. Okay, otherwise we can do one by one. So first I am going for the bookends. I am going to take the screenshot and I am going for the evidence 4. I am going to paste. After this I am going for yachts. I am going to close the bookings, yachts. I need design view. Take the screenshot of this. Now go to the step 13 and paste and save the evidence. Now create one-to-many relationship between yacht reference in the yacht table and yacht ID in the bookings table. So now we are going for the relationship. Okay, save and close. So go to the database tool, relationship, add this, close. Now we want yacht reference in the yacht table, yacht ID in the bookings table. So yacht reference in the yacht table, yacht ID in the booking table. So just click create and double click, take the screenshot of this relationship. Now go to the evidence document and step 14 we want to paste. Yes. So we finish this. Now enter the following records in the bookings table. So click OK, save and close. Now we want to open the booking table. We want to add the new record. So down your new blank record option is there. So we are going to enter the records. So title, so Ivan, so I'm going to give Ivan. Next Brown, next 2766 and next street address 18 Fenwick Cottages So next per showed, so per showed. Next postal code, this is the postal code. Next phone number 0770090041128. So now I am copying, but in your exam you want to type. So depart date should be 15th June 2022. So copy this, days 12, yard ID SY082, copy and paste and save this and close. Yes, now use fields from both the table, produce a tabular report. So now we are going to the report. To create the report, first we want to create the query. First I can change the color. For query we are going for yellow. Okay, so first we want to add these fields in the query. So first go to the create query wizard, simple query wizard, click OK, add the fields. So first they are given title, and they are given first name, last name. So title, first name, last name. Next they are given telephone, depart date. So telephone is there, depart date is there. Depart port, yard name. Depart port is in the yard table, so depart port, yard name. Length, days. So length, days should be in the bookings, days. And next they are asking day rate in the yard table, so day rate, yes. And charter cost, it's not in the yard table, and also it's not available in the bookings table, so we want to create the new field. So question number 2, C contains a new field called charter cost, which is calculated at the runtime. This field will calculate the value of the days multiplied by the day underscore rate. So we want to create the new field. So click next, and give the name as the query 1. Query 1, and modify the query design and finish. Okay. So next contains here charter cost, which is calculated at runtime. So we want to create the new field, so I'm going to create the new field in the query colon, and they are asking with this field they will calculate the value of days multiplied by the day rate. So I'm going to multiply the days with the day rate. Okay, and now I'm going to run. So we got the charter costs, yes. Display the charter cost field as a console. We finish this, and display the charter cost field as a currency with 0 decimal places. So I'm going to this and right click. I'm going to the design view, charter cost, and now my mouse in the charter cost, go to the property sheet, and decimal places should be 0. Now we are going to run. So there is no decimal places. So we finish this. Now we are going for the criteria. So yeah, select the records where yacht name include the text C. So go to the view, design view. So yacht name, so we are going to the yacht name, include the text C. So star, how they are given, capital, no, small, yes, so C, and close the star and run. So yacht name which is available C, it will be available. So now we got 72 records. So day is 10 or more. 10 or more means we want to give the view, the design view days will be greater than equal to 10, because they are asking 10 or more. So and run. So we got 41 records. Yes. So we finished the query. Yes. Now I'm going to change the color for red color. Yes. Now we are going to create the report. So save the query and close the query. Now go to the create report wizard and add this query one, all the fields, click next, 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 and the report, and the report they are asking tabular report, so I'm going to give tabular. And next they are asking the page orientations of landscape, so I'm going to give landscape, click next. Now they are asking to give the title, includes only the text C fleet bookings, so I'm going to give the title C fleet bookings, modify the report design and finish. So now in this they are asking include the text C fleet bookings as a title display in the large font size at the top of the page. So they are asking larger font size, so select this bold Arial black and give 24. Sometimes they will ask center all the things, so now it should want to be fully visible. Yes. So we finish this. Now displayed in the design view itself, we can do many things like add in your title, add in your name, center number. So display only your name, center number, candidate number in the footer, so it appears on the same position on every page. So on the every page your name, center number should be displayed. Make sure no other data is displayed in the footer. So if you want to display your name, so first I'm going to close this property sheet. If you want to display your name in every page, we want to go to the page footer. So delete this. They don't want any other content, so delete this. So now go to the report design, labels, and give your name, center number and candidate number. Okay, now save the thing. Now we finish this part. Yes. After that, once you add the title and your name, center number in the design view of the report, go to the layout view and all the fields should be fully visible. It's not in the order, so we want to arrange this. Okay. I think we made some mistake. So now we want to check this, because by mistake we gave the charter cost, it will not be there. So I'm going to close, I'm going to, yes, now it's came, Mr. Okay. So now I'm going to the view, layout view. Now I'm going to adjust, so select this, right click, so much space is there, so I don't want the space, I'm going to move. Now same like first name, move this little bit, and yeah, last name I'm going to move. So see whether first name, last name all are fully visible. Yes. visible. Now this one customer ID should be fully visible. Yes. Now first name we can move little bit closer, like this, and I can move this, and customer ID also I can move, and street address I'm going to move left side, and I'm going to expand only the street address records. Yes, now see, no, still it's not fully visible. So now I'm going to move the yard ID, and I'm going to make it as a left side, and days little bit left side. Date we want to adjust very carefully, and little bit days. So alignment is all the data should be fully visible, and it should not be overlap. I think we want to move from first name. So I want to check whether it is 41 records. First total count records, it should be no. So there is some mistakes in the yes. So what I'm going to do, view, design view, yeah, the first the criteria is not applied properly. So yard name include the text C. So yard name, yeah, it's correct. So run this. So we got 41 records. I'm going to save this. Now go to the create report wizard, the query, yes, and click next, next, next. It should be tabular, and they are asking landscape, give the landscape, click next, and title I'm going to give C fleet bookings. So C fleet bookings, and modify the report design, finish, and I'm going to make it as a bigger. Go to the home, bold, Girill black, and I'm going to make it a 22 or 24. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to delete the page footer, delete. Now go to the report design, labels, drag your name and type your name, yes, enter number and candidate number. Now go to the view, layout view. Now I'm going to adjust. Mr. I'm going to make left side. I don't want this much space. I'm going to first name, yeah, I don't want this name like this. Last name, I don't want this much space, and telephone, I don't want this much space. Okay, Control Z, select the telephone and left side, yes. Depart date is not fully visible, and date is also not fully visible. Just select the depart date, and I'm going to make it as a left side. Okay, now depart port, yes, it's not fully visible. Yes, I want to check whether all the things, yes, so much space is there, so I'm going to reduce. Now yard name, I'm going to move left side, yes, Chelsea, so I can move the space. Length, yes, I'm going to move left side, and days, little bit, yes, days rate, charter cost, yes. So we create the report. Now save the report. Now we are going for calculate the total number of bookings and place this at the end of the report formatted as an integer. So we need how many bookings we did. So I'm going for the yacht name, click this, go to the report layout design, totals, count records. So down we got the value 41. Yes, so we finish this. It should be integer, it's already integer. As a label total booking to the left of this value, so we want to give the labels on the left of the values total bookings. So I'm going to the view, design view, report design, click this labels, and I'm going to drag the, and I'm going to type total bookings. Now go to the view, report view, and we got this. Yes, so now it should be left side, left of the bullets. Okay, so it's correct. So we gave this. Now sort the data into the ascending order of your name. So now we are going for ascending order. In the layout view itself we can say sort the ascending order of your name. So select this, go to the report layout design, click group and sort, and add a sort, yacht name. It should be ascending order. So next we finish this ascending order of yacht name and descending order of depart date. So again I'm going for add a sort, depart date, and it should be descending order. Descending order means newest to oldest. Yes. Now save this and close the dialog box. Yes, and there is something, it's not fully visible. Yes, yeah, now it's fully visible. Yes, now save the report. Now we finish this. Now fix a single page wide that prints on 2 pages. So it should be print on 2 pages. So go to the view or page setup. No, we want to go to the view, print preview, and we are going for 2 pages. Yes, like this we want to give. And see, the C fleet booking is not fully visible. So again I'm going to view, design view. So I'm going to make little bit. Yes, now go to the home, view, print preview. Yes, now it is fully visible. Okay, yes, view, print preview. Yes, see, fleet booking is full. View, print preview. Yes, so now it's correct. Now save and print your report. So save and print the report. Yes, now close all. Yes, now we finish the report. Next, take the screenshot evidence showing the database formula used to calculate the total. Now they are asking the formula, so I'm going to open the report again, go to the view, design view. So see, it's not fully visible, so I'm going to make like this. So take the screenshot of this and paste on the evidence. Yes. Now question number 17. Use the fields from both the table, produce labels. Now we are going for the label. For the labels also same like report. First we want to create the query. So we want to add these queries. Okay, first create the query, save this and close. Go to the create query wizard, simple query wizard. Now yacht name. So yacht name, it's in the yacht table. So yacht name. Next they are asking title, first name, last name. So title, first name, last name, post to code. So go for the post to code, depart port. So depart port in the yard table, depart port. Next depart country, so depart country in this. Next they are asking depart date in the bookings table, and days in the bookings table, and click next. Next I'm going to give this query to, click finish. Yes, so query 2 is added. Now I'm going for select the records. Day is 28, so go to the view, design view, days is 28, so I'm going to give 28. Now depart country does not include Croatia, so depart country does not include Croatia, so not oh, they are given Croatia, CROATA, so CROATA, Croatia. So now I'm going to run, so it will come. Now so we apply the criteria. Now sorted in the ascending order of last name. So again I'm going to the view, design view, last name should be ascending order. Check one more time. Yes, ascending order, so it should be ascending, and run. Yes, last name, see, it's in the ascending order. So now we are going to create the label. Save the query and go to the create labels, and what the centimeter, it should be metric, and they're asking 99.067, so 99.0, I think it's down. You want to check one by one. Yes, 67, this one. Okay, click next. They did not ask anything to give. Yes, in the format yard name, so it's, they did not ask anything to mention. Okay, color. Next, now prototype label, so we want to give the label in this format. First the yard name, so give the yard name, press enter, and next they are giving title, first name, last name, so title, first name, last name, press enter. Next they are given postal code, so give the postal code, press enter. Next they are given depart port and depart country, so depart port and depart country, press enter. Depart date, days. So now give you, yes, so we create the labels. Now they are asking your name, center number can at the left at the bottom of each label. So this is the bottom, so I'm going to give my name. Alright, now they are asking right side means you want to move the name, center number here. Center means here you want to move your name, center, and candidate number in the center. So click next, and give the labels and modify the label design and finish. So this is the labels. So now what they are asking, so we finish this. Modify the format of the yard name so that it is center aligned and displayed in a bold large font size. So they are asking to modify the yard name, so I'm going to select all the records and I'm going to move little bit down. Now I'm going to make it as center, go to the home, make it as a center, make it as a bold, and I'm going to make it as a 20. Okay, now if you want you can make it as a bigger. Yes, now go to the view and print preview. So this is the labels. So we finish this and save and print your labels. Now I save already and print, so it will come. So this is about May-June 2022 variant 21 database data manipulation. Thank you.